actually here from South Africa. Very impressed. It's got everything I want. It's got the distance. It's going to load correctly. You've got a bigger one. Very nice vehicle.
My name is Rodrigo. I'm from Argentina, South America. And I see this kind of products is a good opportunity to sell in Argentina because it's so big and so high to work with a lot of products to travel, and if you have a business is a product so useful.
Today, what car? Very good car. Electric car. Tomorrow, number one.
Everything is detailed, the material, the space, all the finishing and the accessories in it is very beautiful. Very nice car.